Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let n1 and n2 be the number of red and black balls. So, suppose that there is a bag in which we have n1 red balls and 2 black balls respectively in box 1. Okay, this is box 1. Let n3 and 4 be the number of red and black balls in box 2. Okay, so we have n3 and 4 red and black balls respectively in box 2. So this is box 1, this is box 2. Now look at the game. One of the two box 1 and box 2 was selected. So it is being selected at random, and a ball is drawn randomly out of this box, and then you have to draw a ball randomly from this box. The ball is found to be red if the probability that this red ball is drawn from bag 2 is 1 by 3. Now look at this idea. If you will observe this question will give you hint of total base theorem. Okay, it is coming back again that after finding a red ball, you have to tell me that this ball belongs to bag 2 or box 2. So this means what? It belongs to base theorem. Okay, so look at the idea how we will handle. So required probability. So what could be the case? The case could be it is bag 1 and then it's red. We have to talk about red now. Yes. Or bag 2 and it is red, and we have to find out the probability that the given red ball belongs to bag 2. So it is bag 2 red. Okay, now look at the idea. Already these guys have given the probability that the probability is 1 by 3. Now you have to find out the case. Now from bag 1, so first you know that bag 1, so what is the probability of selecting bag 1? It is 1 by 2. Now find out the red ball from bag 1. It is n1 by n1 plus n2. Is that okay? Plus, now look at the second game. Second game is what? From bag 2 you have to find out red ball. So what is the probability of selecting bag 2? It is 1 by 2 because there are two bags. And then red. So it is n3 by n3 plus n4. And you have to go with this case, red and bag 2. So it is 1 by 2 n3 by n3 plus n4. Now what you have to do, you have to choose the options. You will use n1, n2, n3 from n4 from option A, and if this equation satisfies, the answer is A or B or C or D. That you have to do. Okay, after this it's just hit and trial. I hope this question is clear. Let's jump on to the next illustration, which says let n1 and n2 be the number of red and black, n1 red and 2 black from box 1. Okay, and n3 red and 4 black from box 2. Okay, A ball is drawn at random from the bag 1. So you have to draw one ball from bag 1 and then transfer it to bag 2. Okay? If the probability of drawing red ball from box 1 after this transfer is 1 by 3. So after this transfer, the probability of having red ball from box 1, okay, is 1 by 3. Then the correct options with the possible values of n1 n2 is, now look at this, what could be the required probability? Now can I say that what we will do, we will have red means the first hand-picked ball. Like if you will read, a ball is drawn at random from the box 1 and then transfer it to box 2. So from box 1 you will take one ball and transfer it to other. If the drawn ball, if the probability of drawing a red ball from box 1, so again from box 1 you are having a red ball, okay, so second ball is red. So can we say that first ball is red and again second ball is also red? Okay, and then first ball is black and second ball is red. Can I say this thing? Now look at this. Already they have given you the probability that it is 1 by 3. Now how we will select red ball in case 1? So red ball in case 1 is n1 by n1 plus n2. Now you know that you have already taken one ball, so you have one less red ball. So what is the, again you have to select red ball only. So can I say that n1 minus 1, this many red balls are available now, na? And it is n1 plus n2 minus 1. Suppose that the first ball is black. So can I say that n2 by n1 plus n2. Now second ball is red. You know that the number of reds is still the same. It is n1 only. So it is n1 by n1 plus n2 minus 1, because the number of balls get reduced because the ball is being transferred to bag 2. Now this is the answer. Now what you have to do, you have to satisfy the option to get the correct answer done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.